So good evening everyone, it is Mitchell aka The Walker in Orlando, and welcome back to Disney's Hollywood Studios tonight. Now, as you can tell, we are back for pin trading once again. Also, didn't know this until we were driving over. Today is 626 Day, aka the Stitch Day. So we're going to check out, see if they got anything special going on with that, but also do our pin trading and everything else. So as per usual, we'll show you all the locations really I go to, because Kayla's going to be setting up over by where the photo pass area is to have her actual bag, because you can actually do that with other people who come here and set up and pin and trade those pins and trade with other pin traders. So really kind of cool that it can happen. So we're gonna head on in. It's gonna be a good day, so make sure you hang out with us as we do some pin trading today. So if you're interested to understand what's happening, so over in the Antique and Curios, aka the Photo Pass location, what tends to happen in there is that you can actually set up, like, well, you're not supposed to, like Disney's been very trying to cracking down on it more, but you can actually go in there, set up your pins, like your personal pins. People come in and look at them and trade. So like, it's not like Disney where like you could trade for whatever. There you could trade with other pin traders and find unique pins that you may not see normally. So it's kind of cool. I'm gonna make my first stop into the dark room, aka the big pin shop, because with it being 626 Day, let's go look see if they got anything 626 related. So you got all the new Experiment 626. You got Stitch in the chamber. It looks like you got him at 626 when they're looking for him. And a mystery pin set. You got the 626 with the bite taken out of it and him driving the escape pod. It's really cool, actually. So then here's some other pins they have in the shop as well. I like the Wally mystery because it looks like it turns into a boot. Got those as well. Animal Cracker Day, that's funny. Mother's Day. And some other ones, they got the 101 Dalmatian Arcade, Dumbo, Hercules, they got the Little Mermaid live action, Nemo, Toy Story Mania, 15 years. Oh, these because celebrating the 5 years. I didn't realize those. Then Luca. Cool. So I went in there and checked the pin board in there. Did not film it because it was really busy. Nothing in there. The pin board in Antique and Curios also didn't have anything. I still need to check Crossroads of the World to do that one. And there is a pin board on the corner at the entrance shop as well. Like I said, I'll put always where we pin trade on the board and show you guys with an arrow where it is. But I did buy some of the 626 pins. So I bought the mystery pin set. There are, looks like 10 each. Here's what's inside of them. So if we want any of them, I really would like Stitch with the coconut and Stitch with the glasses. Those are the ones I want. But I also did buy a regular pin as well.Ose are $24 each. But then I bought this one where he looks like he's licking the inside, because I thought it was funny because he actually moves. And so he was $21.99. So we're gonna open these guys up so you guys can see what I got. Alright, so there are 2 in each of the boxes, so we're gonna go ahead and open these up. Don't really care about the box too much.
My legs are doing the same thing your moms are doing.
So, that's why next to the trash can, so I can keep that. Alright, so first box. Open this one up. And it's going to be, oh, Stitch in the Hawaiian shirts. That's super cute. Also, again, we noticed this the last time we got new pins that they have these like little like encryption thing on the back now. So that's really cute. Let's see, do we get any duplicates? Alright, package number 2, or pin number 2 in the same package. Oh, we got Vampire Stitch, that's who it is. Couldn't tell on the box, but we got Vampire Stitch. Alright, on to box number 2. See if we get any duplicates. Alright.
Maybe we can go with Grandma Bessie tomorrow.
Can't get the bag open now. Alright. Alright. Oh, it's one of the ones I wanted. It's Stitch with his sunglasses. It's really cute. And onto our last one. Let's see, what do we get? What do we get? Oh, Stitch in the Hula. He's really cute. So, these are the 4 I got from the mystery pack. So these are my 4 I got. So I didn't get any duplicates, so that's really good. Like I said, the boxes are $25 a box for 2 pins. So I traded for this Rebel Squadron Gold Leader pin at the Crossroads shop. So the big thing with like pin trading at Disney's Hollywood Studios, your majority of your spots are going to be at the very front of the park. Like I said, you have the shop next to the touch points, you have Crossroads, you have the dark room, aka 5 and 10, and then you have the Courtois photo pass area as well for a pin board. But we're going to continue on trying to find, because I know there is a couple down Hollywood Boulevard, so we're going to go down here next to flip the pins down this way. Alright, into Sunset Club Couture or Carthay Circle. Pretty much this shopping spot, you have to go down to where Carthay Circle is to go in, because that is where you're going to have the mystery pin sets. Can I do 7 and 19, please? Oh, yep, there we go.
Tinkerbell, right?
Yep, Tinkerbell, yep. I'm good, thank you though.
Sure.
Alright, Sunset Ranch pins and souvenirs. They also have a pin board here. I think I'm really trying my luck to know if I'm good at doing these pins or not, because I got this little Dumbo pin and I didn't think it was anything special, but I saw it said limited release, so I think I got a good one there. Alright, time to head into Tower Hotel Gifts. This is another location. Now usually they have both a pin board and a mystery pin set, or like pin board. So let's see if they have one in here.
Lucky numbers today.
Can we do 7 and 19?
7, 19. Are you a Star Wars fan?
I do love Star Wars.
Okay, this is from Star Wars. We were trying to figure it out today, but it's like the Capitol or something like that, Senate ship. I don't know.
Oh, didn't know that. I've seen that pin before, but
Yeah.
huh. Well, I'm good. Thank you though. Also, check out the Eric collection. Like these, like they're like pop vinyls, but they're like different. So you got like them like in specially designed little things. Those are special things. But then look at the Stitch. Like, how much are they? I feel like they're gonna be kind of expensive. Okay, $30 isn't awful, and this is the whole collection that there is. And it's not a mystery set. You can actually pick. You can pick who you want. You can also get all of them right here. But I'm intrigued by them. So someone in the last video that I did with Fish from Epcot made a comment, and I'll leave it here. And it's kind of an honest to God good question. Like talking about, well, customers don't wear lanyards right now or have like pin pouches. And I don't know what the reasoning is behind that, but I definitely noticed there's more pin boards than there used to be. I remember when I used to go to the parks way back when they had the lanyards, you wouldn't see them as much, but you also had more pins available to trade with. Because you would have cast members who would trade with. Now, a lot of issues I think stem from talking to friends and everything, is that people would just grab the lanyards from the cast members. And that could be a big reason why, maybe just a safety reason, or it's just they haven't brought it back from the whole closures and everything. And maybe it was part of the budget cuts that they've done here in the parks lately, so, but I don't know. Maybe we'll see them come back. I have seen a couple of cast members with like holding like little boards or having little side pouches, but I haven't seen them come back with the lanyards yet. So it'll be something interesting to see, and maybe it'll come back soon. Not sure. So every once in a while, if you come out to like the main area here, right outside of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, off to the right, sometimes they will have a trash can that has pins on it. And I think it's gonna be like mostly in the afternoons when they're not as busy. Does not look they are out right now with it, so something we'll have to do. Hopefully I can find a picture of it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So if you guys are here, it's usually up here in the middle section, but they don't have it out right now. Sad. All right, so now we're gonna come up next to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, up to the small gift shop, So I'm pretty sure they have a pin board here as well. And also some new merchandise I want to show you guys. Oh, thank you. Well, thank you so much.
Your card.
So you have this little remote control roadster. So you get Mickey, Minnie, and it's a remote control. What's actually funny is they actually have one out right now that you can try and stuff. So you can see like it goes forward, it's back, turns the wheels. But what's even more impressive is they've got this remote control trackless train. So it's essentially the ride vehicle, and they will actually follow, shake, spin, so you can control it all together, and you get all of those characters. So $150 for the wireless train, $50 for the vehicle. And you can see right there, there's the actual, there it is right there set up. It's really cool. I don't know if it's worth $150. Alright, and these are the pins that I got. I got this Nick Wilde, like little egg, but then I got Dale right here because he's part of my little collection of the cruise lines I've been collecting. I think him, and then I think I need one more to finish that set. So just be mindful that if you do come to studios and you want to pin trade like with other pin traders and stuff, and like I was telling you up in the Couture's, aka the PhotoPass section, they had a bunch of people in there trading. Well, it just depends. Because the other day we were here, they did not have an issue with it. They actually said like, oh, just make sure there's no, like, make sure you're being mindful that if it gets too busy, you might move around. But today, they actually just kicked everyone out, and they then all went outside to pin trade outside on the steps, and then they told everyone you can't even pin trade out here. So I think that's something Disney needs to work on, because pin trading is very popular in the parks, like between other people, not just like with Disney to here, but they really need to like find a spot and let pin traders come in, and like even if you set up a time saying, oh, you can only be out here from 10 to 2, and yeah, it's hot at heat today, but you still let them trade, set up tables, or just set out an area saying you can be here from 10 to 2, just because I think that would make more people come in the park, and they would spend money in the park and make it like more profitable. So it is the next day, and I do apologize for not ending the video at Hollywood Studios. I ended up meeting back with Kayla because they were getting kind of finicky about the whole pin trading in the park. And so Kayla went over and talked to guest relations and was just like, okay, why did I get told to leave but no one else got told to leave? Like she got told, she wasn't the only one told to leave, but everyone was told to leave. No one else did, and nothing was done. So then she went outside and sat outside, and then they told her she couldn't pin trade out there while they were still pin trading inside. So there was a little bit of confusion. So she asked guest relations, and guest relations outright said there's no pin trading allowed between guests. Like you can't set up and pin trade, which is weird in my opinion. But besides the point, just be mindful that some cast members will let you do it, some won't. I'm not sure why. It seems to be depending on the cast member. If there's a rule, they need to hold the rule to the standard. But besides the point, I want to show you guys all the pins that we got, though the pins I got, including all the Stitch ones I got. But also want to do, before I end the video, I want to show you guys my board. And I'll show you guys the board here of all my pins, the updated board with all my new pins and everything, and I've even readjusted everything. And we even went to a pin shop here in Ocoee, and I got some new train pins to kind of see what my board looks like. So if you guys have anything, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite type of pin that I have? What's your favorite pin you've ever gotten? All that. So with all that being said, as I do head on out for the day, mostly right now because I gotta go get breakfast, I will see y'all next time.